Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a lovely beef stew. In some country they call it casserole. What I'm going to start off with, I'm going to use some of my all-purpose. This is my own brand, Linden all-purpose. You can go to www.jerkspices.co.uk to get this. So this is some of the mixture. I just put it in a bigger container. Some black pepper. I'm going to add some browning over it. So I'm going to use some fresh thyme. So now I'm going to add some garlic to it. Bit of ginger. This is optional, personal preference, but it does enhance the flavor. All of that in. So I'm gonna add a little bit of oil over this. Bit of sea salt. Then mix. So this is what it look like. So get yourself a pan. You can use stainless steel, whatever you choose. Pour your oil in. You can use olive oil or vegetable oil. You're gonna need some carrots. So meanwhile that is getting ready, sort some carrot out. So this is hot now. You can either pour all of it in, or you can put one of this and use a tongue, pour it in, but I'm just gonna pour it in. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna let it brown off and catch an even color. As you can see, look at the lovely color. So I'm just going to let this brown off a bit more. I'm going to add also potato on it. I'm going to use one large onion. Onion in. tiny bits in. So in this I'm gonna add some peppers also. I'm gonna add some water. What I'm gonna do with this now, I'm gonna transfer this to a casserole dish, and I'm gonna finish it off into an oven. You don't have to do that, but you can leave it in this, let it cook. But this is the way I do it. Different style, different techniques. So I'm going to transfer it into this. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to add a little bit in this, and I'm going to dust it with a bit of flour just to thicken the sauce. Because if you sprinkle it on all of it, it's going to become lumpy. But if you put it on some, you put it like this, and then you put it back in. It's a long process, but it's worthwhile. So there, you don't have any lumps or anything. You're gonna have your potato, some potato in. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna cover this with aluminum foil, and I'm gonna finish off it in the oven. This is a lovely stew ready. It's good to go, ready to tuck in.